I'm gonna log in. Volume down.
Welcome to episode 20 of Satoshi Analysis. We're your Satoshi Ninjas.
How are we doing tonight, everyone?
Thanks for tuning in, guys. And we're here to break it down for you again, and many more to come.
So let me just refresh this for everyone. If y'all tuning in, we'll wait like a minute or two, see if anyone's coming in. But let's just scroll through the coin market cap, shall we?
Yeah, I mean, earlier today we met. Bitcoin was about maybe 10.5, 10.6. I feel like now it's 11. Yeah,
11 and holding.
Do we want to see why? Maybe how are the Koreans doing? Are they having some?
Without getting close to,
Bitfinex.
Billy here. What is this? Bitfinex. That's the Chinos. Koreans and Chinos once again dominating. Just pumping. GDAX Americans coming in third. Let's check out the graph here.
Very volatile market, guys. Do not be scared. This is kind of normal fluctuations as we start gaining more users.
Well, even if before with Bitcoin you'd have this.
Right.
This is just normal.
Yeah, I think a good thing to do.
The US dollar price, bro. Bitcoin will always be one.
Okay. I mean, it's the same graph.
No, it's not, because it's orange right there.
Oh, this graph?
Yeah.
Oh, I mean just market cap, I guess.
Oh, okay, for sure.
But yeah, as far as Bitcoin goes, if I was just starting out and I wanted to get into crypto, I would probably, if you get a paycheck every 2 weeks, I say you put $100 every 2 weeks into Bitcoin forever.
I would say 10% of your paycheck.
But that's just me. You could also put $100 in the stock market as well.
It's like whatever you feel comfortable.
Although
whatever you can put, just go ahead and put. If it's $50,
right? It's better than not having it in there at all.
Because if you, what are you gonna spend? You're gonna spend that 100, and it's gonna go to probably shit. So invest, guys, and invest early.
And guys, this is so much green. I mean, I don't remember the last day I saw almost every coin in double-digit green positive gains.
Oh my God, Litecoin.
Altcoin rally recently.
Litecoin.
That's what I'm saying. Like Litecoin officially 100.
Litecoin is 100. Let's see if it'll hold. Earlier,
the Queens are getting rid of it for 108.
Tested it earlier today, or was it last night? But
pull up the 1 day.
Americans coming in strong with this one. 1 day chart.
It's been good for today. It's been solid. You
wow. So this was at 3 o'clock.
Yeah.
All right. We're getting some price action here. Oh wow. Very nice. It's looking pretty jumpy, looking pretty like it's trying to break out. It's trying to break out of what is this?
Maybe 105 level?
100, yeah, it's trying to like break out. If it can break out of 100 and hold, I definitely miss Litecoin. So
I don't think it's too late to get in.
Yeah, I still think it's good.
Yeah, it's definitely not late, but I'm snoozing.
They have a lot of good things coming out in the next 6 months, so it's gonna keep going up.
Yeah.
One of my literally one of my best friends, Punit, he was like, hey, is Litecoin, is this a good coin to own because Bitcoin's a lot, Ethereum's a lot? I'm like, man, Litecoin is at least going to be 2-3 times the current price that it is, and it was under $100 when I told him. So
yeah, it'll definitely.
I hope you bought, man. You would have made like $15 already, $12 today.
84,000 subscribers. Like, they got a community. I mean, it's on GDAX. It's definitely
It's vetted.
It was the second coin after Bitcoin.
If you buy one Litecoin a month at $100, I mean, I don't think you'll lose all too much in the long run. Maybe in the short run, you might go down to like 40.
Well, I think it might go back under 100, and you could get it.
Yeah, you can get it in the 90s, but definitely Bitcoin. I would tell the community, to like, you know,
just slowly keep buying bits of
Right.
of Bitcoin. Buy 0.001 every month. Like,
I mean, what a rally today, man.
yeah, it's a sea of green. Like, it's the color of money, even though that's only the dollar. And I
And if
don't,
you saw that red, that's Tether. So
Your Power Ledger
ignore that.
38th rank.
yeah, so the only one red here is pretty much FedCoin, trying to be FedCoin.
And
Yeah.
that's like not even down, right? It's like 0.5%. Like,
No, that'll always equal $1.
It'll be 99 cents to 1 cent. Averaged at
what will always
$1.
equal $1?
Tether.
Tether.
Tether, why?
Basically, it's how exchanges give you like basically a fake version of the US dollar, and they call it
In
Tether.
case you don't want to cash out into cash, but you do want to sell your position.
So it's always $1?
Yeah.
Let's say you want
That's ridiculous.
Let's say Bitcoin's 10K and you think it's going to $5 because you're getting taxed. You put that into Tether and let Bitcoin crash, and you still have technically dollars. You buy with dollars,
Yeah.
but you never actually cashed out and got taxed for dollar. But you were
They're just like holding it, yeah.
You're holding digital dollar. You're holding FedCoin. Populous smack.
Yeah, populist smack.
Waves smack. Wow. Wasn't expecting that.
Vertcoin almost up 20%. $6 Vertcoin.
Vertcoin, I love you. You know, if you
Status.
if you guys buy, just stick to Litecoin and Bitcoin and Ether for now. But if you want to get risky and you like Litecoin, buy like 2 Vertcoin.
Litecoin's not risky.
I mean, not
Litecoin
risky.
is not risky.
Yeah.
I mean, if you want to get more into the altcoins after Litecoin, buy like $20 a Vertcoin. Why not? You know, just get. I could tell you to buy a bunch, but if you're a noob, don't buy Bitcoin.
Yeah,
That's
I
all.
completely agree with that.
Right.
Yeah. Raiden kind of going under 4 for some reason, but I'm still looking
Walton
to buy
Chain's
that.
one of your
Wow.
one of the I mean the ninjas like this.
Walton Chain, the first RFID Internet of Things trying to be company.
Look at Einsteinium.
Where's Einsteinium? That was popping out. Oh, it's still popping.
71%.
You know why this is popping, right?
Why? Please tell me. I don't
There's
understand.
a rumor that Apple's gonna buy it.
Yeah.
So it's just getting pumped because of that rumor right now.
But what do they buy? Just the developers? Like, what do
The
you buy?
entire
The entire project.
But how does that work?
It would be like the first of its kind, but like it's probably
Pretty much own the developers, or they.
Einsteinium might have done that whole rumor themselves.
Hard fork.
Yeah, for sure they did the rumor themselves. Are you? You know they did. Like,
Yo, there's a hard fork.
where?
8 days.
So you get double the coin of Einsteinium and Einsteinium 2.
That's probably another reason it's pumping.
Ah.
Oh.
So crowdfunding. Oh, so this is another ICO funding platform here. Open source, but it's decentralized.
Oh, it's on Pollinix? It's GG. This
Yeah.
one is GG, bro.
And on Upbit.
What are the guys?
Board members.
Milos Milic.
Trufunovic. I mean,
A lot of like Serb, Croatian, Bosnian names, Balkan
Eastern
names.
Europeans.
Very Balkan-like names.
Let's check the yeah, platform, I guess.
What's your roadmap?
Roadmap, wallet,
Oh, they have API.
new transactions I see. I guess they're all trying to do just a bunch of
They
stuff.
have a debit card.
They're basically trying to shoot for everything.
Yeah.
Another one of these everything coins are like, they'll probably pick whichever route they get the best traction on.
Right.
But I guess it's a hype coin right now. That's for damn sure.
I mean, it's up almost 75% in the last 24 hours. That's
And it's
ridiculous.
been there
Damn
for
sure.
a while too.
It has
Yeah.
been. It's been slowly creeping.
It's been on Pollinix for a really long time.
On Pollinix.
Yeah, I've seen it on Pollinix. It's never really moved until now.
Oh, in the mix. What's good? What's good with you? So VeChain is supposed to be a Walton competitor, another Internet of Things. They're supposed to be like, I think, versus
VeChain?
yeah. That popped a little bit. All these Internet of Things ones might pop. Potcoin. If you're an enthusiast, you might as well grab some of this. Now it'll go down a little bit, but if you're an enthusiast, do it. ATM chain. I don't really know what they do. Zcash, Cardano still up 13 cents. Fuck me.
Right.
I feel like it's gonna keep going up right now.
So Electroneum is 21 billion.
Yeah.
So you're telling me
that
this is nothing, that we could hit that.
That we could hit 13. That's
basically
crazy.
We could probably double that if they're I mean, it looks like they're trying to. How is this happening?
I mean, you could just look at Miota as an example as well.
Yeah.
Because they have a really big supply as well.
I mean, eventually it'll have to get all wedging out. What do we got here?
Looks like it's about to try breaking again.
I don't think it could potentially break, but it could have a drop and break.
At what is this price right here? A 10 cent? Is that its new support? Come on.
10 cents does seem like it's new support.
Come on, man. That's garbage. That needs to come down. All these need to come down. I'm sorry. Einsteinium just crushing it for some reason.
Yeah, these altcoins are getting pumped way too much ridiculously. And
right, and a major correction has to come because no way can you just have double-digit positive gains for days on end.
Like 3/4 of these projects are garbage.
Yeah, it's I mean, there's just money coming in. Guess.
I'm a big fan of ADX.
Anybody on this page?
Keenan's on. Keenan, man, you got any questions for us that we can answer for you?
I put a little key music on just to get a little.
Keenan, investing in cryptos, it's not going to break the bank for you, is what I'm saying. If you just constantly put in something and just leave it there and then just continue adding to it.
It's a piggy bank that will keep growing for you.
Right. Exactly.
And something you can hedge against fiat dollars with, because we all know that this isn't going to end well.
Yeah, I mean, in 2018, there's definitely going to be some sort of economic,
whenever it will be, it will be.
Right.
So, you're going to wish you got into crypto whenever that happens.
And I was like reading something recently where more people would invest in cryptocurrencies than the stock market. So I feel like if that trend continues, then
go ahead.
Yeah, then I just feel like the money is going to trickle down. Like more and more people are going to get in on this, and there's just going to be more money created. Like right now, guys, market cap's at like what, 330 billion. Really, that's nothing. How much money supply there is in the world? That's not much. There's a lot of room to grow within this space, and specifically with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. I would say those main three. Very bullish in 2018.
And Neo.
Yes.
Yes.
I forget Neo because it's been, it
hasn't been making moves lately, but it's definitely a sleeper coin, even at the 30.
Keenan, honestly, put in $100 and get yourself 3 Neo, and then just whenever you can, just add to that Neo position, because here at Satoshi Analysis, the ninjas really believe that we could see triple digits for Neo in a not so distant future.
The technology Neo has is already like it already blows Ethereum out of the water. It can do 1,000 transactions a second versus Ethereum's like 15 transactions a second. So,
yeah, Keenan, the hodl mentality is a very good mentality to have, and really, like, I know with people like if I was new to the space and I saw Bitcoin 10,000, I would think I missed the ship. But really, I think if you
but you were saying that at 1,000, 2,000,
right,
3,000.
Right,
And you're going to say it at 20,000, 40,000.
This is still
80,000.
new. Like, the world is getting introduced, and it's really taking the world by storm. Like Coinbase users are going up like 100K a day. There's more users being added to all these exchanges. The velocity of transactions is increasing.
Also note that every millionaire in the world, there's not enough Bitcoin for every millionaire in the world to have one.
20 millionaires? Yeah, of course there are.
21 million.
21 million.
Not only that, if Satoshi himself has 1 million Bitcoin, that means there's only 20 million. And not only that, like everyone who already lost all their coins, so let's just say that's another 4 million apparently. So right now there's only
but that's still
like 23 million. That never includes Satoshi.
Okay, well, so there's probably currently like right now available around like 16 million.
Ooh.
But either way, every single person can't. I mean, even if a millionaire can't. So that's one thing to think about. If a millionaire wants a Bitcoin, they'll pay. And how much will they pay?
And institutional money's coming in, so definitely the price of this and the acquisition price of what people are going to be willing to pay for Bitcoin is going to increase as more and more people get aware. Like, really, circulating supply is almost 17 mil, right? Total supply is 21. So there's a 4 million BTC open supply left.
Yeah, and that's not that much.
That's really not that much.
And that will get released slowly. So millionaires are going to come in the next 2 years and try and get one coin.
I think 2018, a lot of people are going to start coming in.
So what if 10 millionaires come in and you know they're going to try and buy more than one coin? But like imagine 10 millionaires from like 10 countries. You're already fucked. You're already fucked. It's going to go through the roof.
It's going to go through the roof. That's why governments can't get in, because any intervention just will raise the price.
Well, I mean, governments are coming in. They're just going to do it in a unique manner.
Yeah.
Different from before, they're going to tackle this in a very different way. And they'll somehow manage to, like, get rid of some volatility.
Yeah, Keenan, in this space, hodl mentality is very good because it's so new, right? Like,
not only this, even in like just investing just it implies hodling.
It does because you have to hold it in order to make the gain.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You make money over time. As much as people hate waiting, that's just how compounded interest works. And compounded interest is the name of the game. So
definitely.
So just trying to, you know, put y'all on. Bitcoin Gold's supposed to be like a hitter.
I don't know how to feel about this one yet.
I would like to own one.
Yeah.
It might, apparently, if you go to Wallet Investor, this is going to 10K in 5 years. I'll own one. I'm saying.
Really?
Yeah, hold up. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is one of the bigger forecasted coins. 5-year forecast. Now they kind of updated this a little bit. Everybody check out this website if you want to know, like,
walletinvestor.com.
Future predictions, but just be careful because they're not super accurate. They're only up to the day, which doesn't really predict much.
11 grand.
Yeah, it was 10. It was 10 last time.
Wow.
So apparently, according to this AI here, if you put in $100, not even one BTG, just $100, you may or may not turn that into 3,500 in 5 years. If you hodl, of course. Don't be on that. You got to be like a squirrel. call them nuts.
And Keenan, honestly, if you're a hodler, you need to get that Ledger Nano and just keep everything in there, man. And then
Everything.
just watch your empire grow, really.
Opinion on Bitcoin Cash long term.
Bitcoin is the real Bitcoin. Bitcoin Cash right now, I think, is a Chinese kind of game on the world.
Yeah, like when you know, at the same time, I would like to own one Bitcoin Cash as well, but I'm not really like fiending to own that anytime soon. But if I could own one Bitcoin Gold, one Bitcoin Cash, one, what fork am I missing?
Diamond?
Those are probably the two. Those are probably the two ones.
Those two.
Not really.
Yeah, I would. Yeah.
One Bitcoin Gold, one Bitcoin Cash, and then the rest. I mean, screw that. Just get Bitcoin for now for like a whole 3 months. Start accumulating Bitcoin.
And I think Bitcoin Cash is also a good hodl play too.
Just one.
Just one.
Before
Just
even
one
getting
Bitcoin.
before
one
even
cash,
getting the forks,
one gold.
Get
Hold on.
Litecoin and Ether
Hold on.
over that.
On what?
Before the
We can mine
buying
cash,
into the
right?
forks, buy Ether and Litecoin first.
Yeah. Yeah, buy Ether and Litecoin
Yeah, buy
before
the
the Bitcoin forks, for sure.
Buy the top three. At least own one. Although, at least if you can own one Litecoin out of those top three, get one Litecoin for sure. And buy bits and pieces of the rest if you can't afford one Ether and one Bitcoin, which you may or may not be able to afford. Probably not, because I can't.
That's why we also recommend Neo.
Yeah, we do recommend Neo.
We do.
And it's affordable.
Yeah, it's not in the top three, but don't worry, because
It's making ground. It's catching ground.
it's definitely a solid coin. Ether was there first, though, and you know how first to market works. They kind of win. They kind of win, which is why I do kind of want to get back into Ethereum, and I wish I could have my 10 Ethereum right now. And I'm debating if I should mine for them or not. I don't know what the cost is, but I want 10 Ethereum because I'm salty as fuck.
Salt.
And I don't like feeling all sour like that. Yeah, get one or two Neo. Get a Litecoin. If you can, grab like half an Ethereum to one Ethereum.
Keenan, straight up put in a bill, get 3 Neo. You'll be happy.
And but at the same time, we are at all-time highs, so just, you know,
Not for Neo.
Not for Neo.
I mean, it's up today though.
Neo's all-time high was like 60.
No,
True.
it wasn't.
Yeah, no, it was
What?
48. It was 48. It was 50.
It was not even 50.
It was 48. 51. But the market is at all-time highs, so just, you know, don't go crazy. Things come down. Let the market come to you. Let the coin show you that price that you need to buy it at. Like, don't chase it. It's like a, you know. Sometimes it gets away.
It's like $48.
Sometimes it comes back.
It might be a little candle, a little higher than that, but I mean, it didn't go to 50.
But it's not at its all-time high. So
No, it's not. It's a great buy.
Yeah, it's still up for the week for sure. Under 30 once again. If you hit 30, under 33 probably now, but
supply is really good. 100 million supply with the circulating supply of 65 mil. So I mean, 35 mil margin. I really feel this is good. Keenan, man, this is Chinese Ethereum, bro. Like,
yeah,
really, this is a big one.
If they require all the Chinese whole economy to run on Neo, then that's a billion, probably more than a bit. That's a lot of transactions, traffic, and contracts to
manage and maintain. Yeah.
Yeah. And that's like has nothing to do with America even.
Well, where Neo kind of shines is there's going to be more ICOs coming out using the Neo platform. And that's where Neo will excel. And it'll become kind of like Ether, where you have so many tokens just using the Ethereum platform.
Yeah. Not only that, there's other platforms as well, but we don't need to get into that. Neo and Ether being the biggest platform, Neo probably number 2.
In terms of ICOs and
yeah, just like
Oh, tokens. That,
Yeah.
Okay.
Ethereum being like the most popular.
The most. ERC20 token is the most popular.
90% of the coins on CoinMarketCap are ERC20 Ethereum tokens. So we'll see if Neo can penetrate this market, and I'm really hoping they can.
I would like to think Neo.
Their technology is better, but sometimes people, you know, don't always go for just better tech. If, you know, sometimes, you know, because Google's Nexus phone is technically a faster phone than the iPhone, but the iPhone
branding
does better, does a few things better than just one thing, which is speed. That's all like Android people care about is speed.
I would like to think Neo all-time high by the end of December.
Neo has projections to hit 80 in 2018 at least. So,
Yeah.
So that's a double up right there.
Yeah, and if you're salty like me and you missed the boat on Ethereum, or you caught it and you sold it like me, this may be a comeback coin.
Redemption.
A redemption coin. Because, you know,
Definitely.
I will win at crypto. I will. And let's end it there because, you know, if you're watching this channel, you're going to win at crypto. So just make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell.
Hit the bell, guys.
Bell.
Shout out Australia. Shout out Philippines. We see you guys tuning in. Shout out India.
Shout out UK. Shout out fucking Canada.
We may be ninjas, but two of the ninjas have some Southeast Asian roots. So we definitely, you know, we appreciate you guys tuning in.
And last but not least, our American views, obviously.
Of course.
Shout out
Love
to
you
the
guys.
Americans once again.
Love the Chi-Town.
Let your friends know.
Chinos, Koreans too, you know, even though you
pump our market. It's nice.
Yeah, thank you guys. Tune in again tomorrow and every day after that. We'll see you guys
EP20 in the books. Tune in. Trying to grow the community and appreciate you all.
A great
Friday
night. And,
we work so hard every day is just, you know.
We're signing off. Bye, everyone.